Good morning, Spectrum High School students, and welcome to week 7 of distance learning. As we finish out these last 2 weeks of school, my encouragement to you is to finish strong. Give it your all. We have been through a lot together over the last 6 weeks as far as distance learning goes, and we are ready to help assist you in finishing strong, as I mentioned a few minutes ago. So please make sure that you are communicating with us what your needs are. If you are struggling to get work in, if you are struggling with specific tasks that have been assigned to you, make sure you're reaching out and connecting with your teachers so that you're able to set up a plan that can help you be as successful as possible in getting your work done here these last 2 weeks. If you are behind on your work, make sure you're also communicating with your teachers about what you can prioritize in relation to credit so that you can earn as much credit as possible during this last semester and during this time of distance learning. Now, I've had lots of questions coming to me about when students are going to be able to get back into the school and clean out their lockers. What I can tell you at this point in time is that there is a plan that will be communicated to families and students very soon, and it will involve a drop off and pick up type method involved with that plan. Things such as Chromebooks, textbooks, and instrument rentals will be dropped off at that time, as well as you'll be picking up items such as yearbooks, academic letters, other awards, projects from different classes, etc., etc. So that plan will be coming to you very soon. Keep an eye out for that. Last but not least, I just want to commend you on hanging with us and hanging in there and really doing a great job of it during these last 6 weeks and into the 7th and final week, next week, of distance learning. I know it's been challenging, you guys. I am hoping that you have been able to remain somewhat positive over and about what has been happening. Keep in mind that we are all in this together, and take care of yourselves, take care of your family members, and do your very best here to finish the year out on a strong note. We wish you guys nothing but the best, and don't forget we are here to support you and help you through it. Reach out if you need anything at all. Take care, and we'll hopefully see you guys soon during that drop off and pick up time.